Good job, Noob. All right, let's see how we did. I'll draw it where I see it. I see seagrass. Nice work, everyone. Sea anemone. I see the lines going up here. Nice. Water wheel plant. Yes. Red algae. Good. Plankton. All correct. And kelp. All correct. Here we are. Sea anemone. This is where Nemo lives. The clownfish. Seagrass. What animal did we learn about that eats seagrass? Layhan, what animal did we learn about that eats seagrass?
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle. Nice work, Layhan. Is the water wheel a carnivore or an herbivore? Kiwi. Is the water wheel an herbivore or carnivore?
Carnivore.
Nice work. It's a carnivore. It eats fish and meat. All right, we have kelp, like the big kelp forest, phytoplankton, which makes most of the world's oxygen and is the base of the food chain of the ocean, and red algae, okay? We have lots of names up here. I see Sal, I see Cindy, I see Chi, Kaki from the other class, Kiwi, nice. Okay, let's keep up the good work. Noob and Mickey, please play more than one time, okay? If you don't get them all right. All right, let's play together real quick to go over the questions. What is often called seaweed? Kwang Hai.
Algae.
Algae, nice work. Marine plants and algae provide much of the world's oxygen supply and take in huge amounts of CO2. Everyone answer true or false?
True.
Nice work. What is its name?
Cora and no. Red alert.
Good. Say algae.
Algae.
Good. Red algae. It looks like a coral, but it's a plant, not an animal. Why can marine plants live in the sunlight zone? Minha.
I don't know.
Read each answer option. Why can marine plants live in the sunlight zone? What do plants need?
Because sunlight zone has light and heat.
Very good, Minha. Good job. It has light and heat. Very important for plants. What zone can plants grow in? Sal.
Sunlight zone.
Nice work. Coral are almost all animals. Everyone say the answer on 3. 1, 2, 3. True, good. What does kelp provide for a lot of sea creatures? What does it provide?
Food and
Food,
shelter.
shelter. Nice work. Kwang Hai also messaged me the right answer. Good job, Kwang Hai. What do coral use to get nutrients? Hannah and Emma?
They use ocean plants like algae and to get nutrients.
Good. Only the clownfish is immune to the stings of the sea anemone. Very good, Kui. Nice work. All right, which marine plants are carnivorous in nature? How about ocean? All right, Teddy.
Water wheel plant.
Very good, the water wheel plants. Nice job, Teddy. 11, what is the most important plant in the marine food chain? Noob, are you there?
See. One.
One?
Yes.
Ocean, do you have a different idea? What's the most important plant in the marine food chain?
Sea anemone.
All right, Noob and Ocean both said 1. No, remember it's phytoplankton. That's what the whales eat, phytoplankton. Let's go on to what we're learning today. So real quick, the basic needs of living things: food, shelter, water, and air. Here's our question for the day. Good. What marine animals get their food, water, and shelter in the sunlight zone? Let's learn. What does the sunlight zone have that let it grow plants? Blank and blank.
The light and heat come from the sun.
Excellent job. Light and heat. Well done, Chi. Plants can or can't. Everyone say can or can't on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And
Good. I only really heard Mickey and Con High, but you both said can. Plants can grow. Blank of the ocean's plants and animals are found here. Is the answer all, most, or none?
none.
None?
Yeah.
None of the ocean's plants and animals are in the sunlight zone?
Oh, almost.
Almost all. Good. Almost all of the ocean's plants and animals are found here. Let's change it to most, just to be clear. It reaches about 200 to 300 meters down. All right, size. Is it the biggest, the medium, or the smallest zone? I have my chat open for Kui and Zalin. Biggest, medium, or smallest? Sal?
Biggest.
The sunlight zone's the biggest? Teddy and Leihan both said smallest in the chat. Good job. The sunlight zone's the smallest. So now let's learn about the plants, or the animals that grow here. All right, here are our 3 zones. Zalin, can we hear you now?
Most ocean plant and animal are found in this area. The sun.
Very good. I think it cut out for a small part, but yes, most ocean plants and animals are found here. Can everyone say the word algae?
Algae.
Good. Now say phytoplankton. Good. Okay. Open your chat and message me what animals live in the sunlight zone. Everyone message me. All right. Sal starts us off with shark. All right. We have Kiwi with clownfish. Sal with octopus, and Teddy with octopus. Anna and Emma say animals with shells. Chi, not an alligator, that would be freshwater. Leihan says sea turtles. Sal says fish. Nice. We know more animals than this. Zalin says coral. Nice, Zalin. Konghai, algae is a plant, not an animal. We want animals. Kiwi says seahorse. Leihan says crab. Nice. Nice work, everyone. That's some good brainstorming. We're definitely going to go over pretty much all of those. First, habitats. These are habitats in the sunlight zone. Can someone tell me one of the habitats that they see? Mickey and Min Long, what habitats do you see here? Mickey and Min Long.
Ocean habitat.
Good, but what habitat in the ocean? What do you see in the first picture?
I see lot of fish.
Lots of fish
Coral.
and coral. Good, that's the coral reef habitat. What habitat is the sea turtle in, Leihan?
Seagrass.
Good, the seagrass habitat. And what about the shark and the fish? I see some tall seaweed in the background. What habitat is that? There we go, the kelp forest. So we have the coral reef habitat, the seagrass habitat, and the kelp forest habitat. These are the big three. Okay, let's start learning about the kinds of animals. First, we have fish. Everyone repeat after me. Say, angelfish.
Angelfish.
Good job. Now say, clownfish.
Clownfish.
Say, butterfly fish.
Butterfly.
Nice. And last one, this is Dory. Dory from Finding Nemo is a Pacific blue tangfish. Everyone say Pacific.
Pacific.
All right. Minlong, can you say Pacific blue tangfish?
Pacific blue tangfish.
Nice work. Let's see what we know about these two fish. I want to know, how do they get what they need from their habitat? From the plants and animals, how do they get food and shelter from their habitat? For example, how do they use plants? Teddy.
Fish use plants because for shelter, food, and to protect themselves because some plants have a sting or something to protect the special fish that can live in that plant.
Excellent job. So the clownfish can live in the sea anemone that stings other animals. It protects it. Great job, Teddy. How about food? How do they get food from their habitat? Zalin?
They use the phenol to scream and they find food, so they will eat that food.
Excellent job, Zalin. So that's another way they can use plants too, right? What adaptations do fish have to live in the water? Noob.
Whales.
Gills, nice. Ocean. Can you give me another one?
Fin.
Fins, nice work. To help it survive, what adaptation does the clownfish have? I remember Teddy said it. Who can read about it for me? Minlong, can you read this for me?
The clownfish is one of the marine creature that cannot be harmed by the anyone thing tackle.
Good. Can you say anemone's stinging tentacles?
Anemone's tentacles.
Very good. Excellent job, Minlong. Thank you. So the clownfish has the adaptation that lets it not be hurt by the anemone's stinging tentacles. Tentacles are anything that sticks out and waves around, like the sea anemone's tentacles or a octopus tentacles. Can you guys put your hands in the air and show me how you think a tentacle moves? How do the tentacles move? The anemone's tentacles and the octopus tentacles? Teddy, that was good. Nice, Teddy. Here are some more fish. Can everyone circle the toadfish? Nice. Emma, nice. Hannah, Kwang Hai, good. Kiwi, excellent. Chi, good job. All right, circle the cardinal fish. Where is the cardinal fish? Nice. Yes. Kwang Hai, good. Noob, good. Circle the puffer fish. Circle the puffer fish. Good job, nice. All right, good work, everyone. Here's a puffer fish. When it gets scared and taken out of the water, or when a predator tries to attack it, it turns into this big ball. Why? Who can tell me why?
Because they scared.
Yeah, why? How do you think that helps them?
It helps them have a short, pointy. It cannot the shark or the people cannot eat them.
Excellent job. It sucks in air and water to make it nice and big. It sucks in the water and blows up. Suri, can you read this for me?
Those bright enzymes stop the fish from eating the puffer fish.
Good job, the puffer fish. Thank you, Suri. Okay, Chi, can you read this for me?
A lot of fish are gray on top and white on the bottom. Why?
Yes, could you give me why? What do you think, Chi? See how the tuna and the sharks are gray on top and white on the bottom? They're gray on top, so when a bird looks into an ocean or a fish is on top of it, it's camouflaged. It looks like the bottom of the ocean. Saying that, why do you think they are white on the bottom? I told you why they're gray on top. Why are they white on the bottom? Lehan?
Because I think the white on the bottom. Because
Actually,
the
oh, go ahead.
because in the bottom they camouflage with lighter things, and at the top darker things like dark coral.
Like the coral, exactly. When a fish wants to eat it, and it looks at it from the bottom, from underneath of it, the bottom is white or silver, like the sun shining through the water. Then they can't see it. It's camouflage. Okay, the next group of animals we're going to look at are the shells. Animals with shells. All right, everyone pay attention. Say lobster. Good job. Now,
Lobster.
everybody say conch. Conch. Mickey, how about shrimp? Kiwi, can you say shrimp? Nice job. Nice job. This one's a horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. Minha and Ocean, say horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab.
Both of you, very nicely done. Thank you. And a regular crab. So let's find out how they get what they need from their habitat. Zalin, how does a sea turtle use plants?
It can maybe use a food or shelter.
Excellent, food or shelter. The crab is the same. What adaptations do they have to live in this habitat? That would be shells. Shells are their adaptation. What does the shell do? Kwang Hai.
They have a shell because
when a predators or other stronger animals, they need to go to its shell and the predators cannot fight him anymore.
Excellent job.
And the shell is very hard. Even a crab cannot crunch a shell.
Very good job, Kwanhai. So these crabs, this hermit crab has to climb into a shell because its body is too weak. And this crab down here has something like a shell. It has an exoskeleton that's really hard, and it keeps it safe because its body is really soft. When it gets too big, it leaves its shell and a new one grows. That's called molting. It leaves its shell when it gets too big and a new one can grow. Kui also said that shells protect them from predators because nothing can make their shells broken. Good job, Kui. Okay, so we're running out of time. So we'll go over mammals and unique animals tomorrow, okay? Here is your homework. Add at least 2 animals and 2 plants to the sunlight zone in your drawing that you did not know before. So don't draw a dolphin or a sea turtle. I want 2 plants and 2 animals you did not know before. Okay, if you knew all of the ones you learned today, you can look some new ones up. There's thousands, okay? So find one you didn't know before. Make sure you label it, so write the name, okay? Raise your hand in your video if you have any questions about homework, what you're drawing or labeling. Any questions? Teddy?
But we just only draw 2 animal and 2 plants.
If you already drew them, try and fit in 2 more because I want you to draw an animal that you didn't know before. I want you to draw a new animal, okay?